So I got the 5D DIY diamond painting in rose. First, when you open the package, you're going to get like a roll of paper, some rhinestones in a packet, and this toolkit. You're going to have to read the instructions on this one, or at least reference the number guide that's provided, because that's what you're going to use to correlate the rhinestones in the package that are labeled to the grid numbers that are marked on your actual painting. And your painting has like an adhesive of some sort that'll help the rhinestones stick to it. What they give you is this little pink, what they call a cement, and you're going to need to take your little pen tool and stick it in the cement first, then pick up your rhinestone, because that's what's going to adhere the rhinestone to the tool. In which case, then you can easily put the rhinestone onto your numbered grid. Okay, so this is probably not something you can get done within 1 hour, considering the amount of rhinestones you are just given. But I think it's a great alternative for when you want to do something other than a puzzle, or something that requires manual dexterity and a certain level of concentration, but not so much.